Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn account on Faceit in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step guide for you guys. So if you want to switch to a different Steam profile for your Faceit matches, follow along carefully, and without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to log into your Faceit account. First open your browser and just go to this address faceit.com, and you just need to log into your Faceit account using your email and password, and then you just need to go to the setting. Once you logged in, click your profile icon here. You can see this is the profile icon. Once you click over here, then from the drop down you just need to select this setting, account setting option. Once you click over here, now you are in the account setting area where you manage your connected accounts. So here you can see that the account options. So now you just need to go to the connection options. Under the connection or linked account, you will get a section. You will see your current Steam account listed. Next to it, you just need to click unlink or disconnect. So where you can find it, you just need to go to this options, and under this you will find out this option. So integration. So here you can see this is the integration, and here you can see this is the game platform. It is not connected yet, but you are allowed to connect it. So you just need to be unlink or disconnect it. Faceit may ask you to confirm, accept the warning, and note you can't unlink if you have an active ban or if you have matches or tournament pending. So clear those first steps needed. Now after unlinking, you just need to refresh the page. Now click on connect Steam again. Just click over here. Once you click over here, a new window or pop-up will open. Sign in with your new Steam account credentials. So here, let's say we are going to sign in to this platform, and I'm going to click on allow. Authorize Faceit to access your new Steam account in that place. Now eventually you can see our Steam already been connected with our Faceit. Once done, you will see the new Steam account linked in your setting, and go back to your Faceit profile and make sure your new Steam account is showing. You can also launch a game to confirm it using right Steam ID. So let's get back to that place. Here, let's close this one, and now eventually you will able to see that your Steam will be properly upgraded here, and now you can start your game. And that's it for today. You have successfully changed your Steam account on Faceit in 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck for your match.